y'all, just doing a real quick video. I'm making dinner and I figured I'd bring you guys along with me. I'm making some chicken Alfredo. Basically, I have a lot of vegetables. You can use a lot of leftover vegetables and you can just be able to throw it on in. But this is just to show you how nice it is to have everything prepped. So anyway, here I have some whole wheat noodles, and this is around 4.5 cups, maybe 5 cups of noodles. Here's one chicken breast. It's pretty nice size. It's close to a pound. And then I have Alfredo sauce here. I have 2 Alfredo sauces. I may not use both, we'll see, depending on how liquidy I want it to be. And then I have some cream of chicken soup. That's kind of, I use this so I don't have to use so many Alfredos. And then in here, I have some actual mixed vegetables. Now these are all dehydrated, which is pretty cool to me. So I can show you some of it. And what I have in here is about, see this right here is broccoli right here. And then I have some navy beans in it. Because I always try to have a vegetable, a starch, a meat, and a bean. So for the vegetable, we have broccoli in here, and then we have mixed vegetables. And then we have navy beans inside of it. And these were dehydrated, and look how well they reconstituted. I mean, it's nice and plump and wonderful. So anyway, I may not use all of it. This is basically around 2 cups of dehydrated broccoli. So it's a good amount of broccoli. And then there's half a cup of the navy beans, and this is half a cup of the mixed vegetables. And I think this could end up being leftovers. What I mean by that is I don't think I'm going to use it all. So anyway, let's get started. I'm going to try to get it all mixed together within 5 minutes. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to set my timer for 10 minutes just to see. And I'm going to go ahead and start it. I have my oven on. I just cut it on before I started the camera at 400 degrees. So I'm going to move that aside. And we're just going to start basically dumping.